I'm Chris from the Driving Theory Workshop, where today I want to talk to you about hazard perception and specifically what is a developing hazard. Now, on the theory test, you will be given 14 hazard perception clips, but there are 15 hazards, and you are only scored on what is a developing hazard and not what is a potential hazard. A potential hazard is something that has the potential to cause us either to change direction or speed, whereas a developing hazard is something that will cause us to actually change direction or speed, and that is what you are scored on. And the earlier you spot that developing hazard, the more points you get in the scoring window. Spotting the developing hazards early is the key to ensuring that you score the maximum amount of points you possibly can on each of the clips. If you found that information useful, then please give it a like, comment or share. If you want more videos the same with more helpful hints and tips, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel by searching for the Driving Theory Workshop. Or if you want to join our online theory course, then visit www.drivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk.